Alright, massive. I don't know how me forget this, but this me should never forget this and none at all. Me dey upon the farm I work and this just flashback in my memories. You see me? You see that individual right here so massive? Him are the one who encouraged me to do farming. You see me? Yeah, me I go tell you now how it go. I know that brother here from nowhere, but him just tell me say, yo, young man, go do some farming. Remember me tell people I grew up in Mobi, I was living in Mobi. In 2016 when some whole heap of violence did go on. I was in Norwood them time there. And the police in my Freeport load up a truck with bag of man bring you over station over Freeport. So we mean at the crowd now, the brother here, him pick me out special and say, come here young man. And I go to him and him ask me, say, what your name? I tell him, he say, where you from? I tell him. And I say, you know, so I have some family at St. Mary. The man said to me, say, yo, go on to St. Mary, go do some farming because if you stay here so, you are go dead. You see them boy we are liquid with, you are go dead. I see a bright future in here. I don't remember his name. But if anybody remember his name, you can tell me in the comment section. I don't remember his name, you see me? Yeah. And when he say to me, I said, that brother you telling me, say, can't tell me what to do. And then my mother start calling a ball and I say, oh, she don't want nothing to do me if I go a country. And then me in my bed one day, I think about it and I say, you know what, I go listen to that man and follow your advice, you know. And I pack my clothes them one day and I go to Freeport station and go link him and say, you know, so I'll follow your advice, so I go and he said, very good, brilliant, never to return. You see me? And from there so, I started the farming. I don't know how I forget and I don't remember his name. But if you remember his name, I want to know, say it in the comment section, you see me? But him, the brother here, him are the person who tell me say me fi do farming and me listen him advice and me never regret, you see me? Yeah, no joke about it. I don't know how me forget, but remember still, and you never too late for a shower rain, you see me?